We are pleased to show you the 2022 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.